Hey Red Hawk fans, we need your help. SEMO football is raising money for scholarships. The NCAA allows us to award 63 full scholarships. We are currently funded at 59. Please consider purchasing raffle tickets. If we could get this done, we'll be able to sign 8 more players in January. For a $100 investment, you not only get to keep us competitive, but you get a chance to win a $67,000 truck. So scan the QR code at the end of this video and help keep SEMO football competing for championships.